Speaks to one simple thing: absolute negligence, criminal negligence, if you ask me. Because when we came here and met with the family members of the deceased, this is the largest fire accident that happened in Hyderabad history. Hyderabad's history. This is the largest accident where 17 people have lost their life. Now the family members are only complaining of two things. They're saying accidents do happen, we understand, but proper training that needs to be given to the fire brigade, proper training that needs to be given to the emergency personnel who are involved in rescue operations was not there. Yesterday when the fire brigade had come, उसमें पानी नहीं था, और जब एम्बुलेंस आया उसमें ऑक्सीजन का मास्क नहीं था. यहाँ के फैमिली मेंबर जो है वो लोग अग्रवाल और मोदी फैमिली मेंबर वो लोग तो यही पूछ रहे हैं, यही कह रहे हैं कि कम से कम अगर मास्क होता या पानी होता, कम से कम एक दो लोगों की जान बच जाती, थोड़ा हमें राहत मिलता. तो इसलिए गवर्नमेंट से मैं एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा कि जो आपने एक्सग्रेशिया अनाउंस किया, वॉट एवर एक्सग्रेशिया यू अनाउंस इज डेफिनेटली नॉट इनफ, बिकॉज देयर इज अ ह्यूज प्रॉपर्टी लॉस एज वेल. Please announce at least 25 lakhs per member of the family deceased, and also more importantly make sure you review the situation, come and physically visit. The Chief Minister himself is the Home Minister. He is busy with beauty contests and Miss World that is happening in Hyderabad, showcasing Hyderabad to tourists. But you also have to take care of local people and their lives. So we request the Chief Minister and the Home Minister to come here, visit, inspect, and make sure there is again no repeat of this unfortunate incident anywhere in the state.
Very old establishment, sir. Do you think that a fire audit is necessary?
100%. There are two things that are necessary. Every summer we used to do a fire audit, and we used to basically make sure our employees are equipped to prevent or to at least attend to any kind of mishap. Secondly, monsoon is also coming next month.
Yes.
So we also have to be prepared for monsoon, because floods and other things that happen typically in urban locations. Unfortunately, this government has no preparedness whatsoever. There is no auditing whatsoever. There is no responsibility whatsoever, and there is no city minister also. So therefore, we request the government to at least now wake up from your deep slumber, review the situation, review the preparedness, and make sure that no other lives are lost in days to come.